Many are unaware of the policy. No dogs are allowed at Sewell Park.
One of the reasons why I think they shouldn't be allowed here is because Sewell Park is a very special place for San Marcos and the world because it hosts the largest grouping of the Texas wild rice.
Allowing dogs to be in the park would require more maintenance. Also, dogs could harm the river's ecosystem.
And so we want to preserve that because that helps to preserve our river and keep it clean and keep it as a nice ecosystem.
Some don't agree with the policy.
I believe dogs should be allowed here because, it's nature. It's for everything, Dogs are also a species just like us, or they should be allowed here.
No worries, there are countless of other activities to take part in. Next time you head to Sewell Park, just remember it may be best to enjoy some time away from your furry friend. For Bobcat Update, I'm Haley Watson.